Hey guys, I wanted to share with you how to put in a swipe trade when the alert comes. We just got an alert and I thought what a great time for me to record this and share with you on how to put in the trade. So this is the app right here, this little green where it says swipe trades. So we're going to click on that and here it shows a new trade alert. And on here you can see where it says Euro AUD, so it's the Euro Australian dollar. And we're going to say accept because we want to see what this trade is. And here you have all the information, and this is where you copy and paste. That's all we're going to do. So this is the Euro AUD. It's a buy limit. So those are two things that we're going to need to fill in, and I'll show you. We have two entry prices, two entry points, and if we scroll down it gives us our stop loss. We have take profit numbers, and then there's always really good notes at the bottom, so you want to pay attention to those as well when you're entering the trade. And then the risk, you really want to understand that. So what this is saying is use 0.03 per $1,000 for your leverage. So let's go to our app to make the trade. So we're going to get out of here. We're going to swipe this and we're going to go over to, I'm going to show you on a demo account. So here's a demo account that I have, and we will go to the quotes page. And I'll show you, we'll go back to the, you can see I'm looking at both screens at once. So you can see the EUR AUD, so we've got to find that one, EUR AUD. Here it is right here. You just click on it, and then we're going to do trade. Now, up here you got to put in, is it a buy limit, sell limit, buy stop, sell stop? And if you recall, if we look back, it's a buy limit. So we click on buy limit. Price, let's go back and see what the entry price 1 is. 1.48940. Now you can just click on that little little notebook or whatever that is on the right hand side, and that copies the data for you. We'll go back and you just hold down and say paste. We also need to put in our stop loss. Now you can type these in too. You don't have to copy and paste if you want. Whatever's easier for you. So we got to go to the stop loss, which is right here. So I'm going to go back to the app and you click right here and that will copy it. So we've copied that data. We got to go back to the trader app and put in and paste that in. And then we have to do our take profit. Now there's 3 different take profits here. I'm just going to do take profit 1 just to show you that. So it's 1.499. Now here's just a different way to do it. I can type that in, 1.499. Now we are just about done. The only other thing we have to do is we have to change our leverage. This is the risk number up here. This is currently set at 0.03. And if you go back to the app, it's telling us use 0.03 per $1,000. So for this one, I have a $3,000 demo account. So to change that to 3,000, it would be 0.09, right? So your total risk will be 0.09. Now, because there are 2 entries, I'm going to actually do 2 different orders, okay? So we're going to do the first order with entry price 1 and take profit 1. I'm going to do a second order with entry price 2 and take profit 2 or 3. Have to kind of see. The stop loss will stay the same. And then what we're going to do, because we're doing 2 orders, I don't want to do double the risk. So what we're going to do is, remember what I said, I have a $3,000 account. Our total risk would be 0.09. So we're just going to cut that in half. So for this first trade, I'm going to do 0.05. And then the second trade we'll do 0.04. That will be the 0.09 risk or leverage that we're talking about. So then we just hit place. Just hit this button right here, place. There you go. So the first trade is in. Now we're going to enter the second trade, right? So remember, we come back here and we have to, it's going to be the same EUR AUD, but we're going to do entry price 2. So I'm going to copy that. Say OK, and we're going to go back. And now what we do is we go back to the quotes and we just hold down this again. I'll do that. So you just hold down, you come over here to the currency pair, select it, and then hit trade. We're just doing this all over again. So our price is, we're going to copy and paste that in. Stop loss, we're going to go back and get what that was. Copy that. OK. See, this is so quick, you guys. Once you get really good at this, you can do it fast. And then we're going to do a take profit, a different take profit. We're going to do, let's do take profit 2. OK, go back, copy and paste that. Now the only other thing we have to do is remember we want to equal 0.09 up here for the risk. So I did 0.05 on the first trade. I'm going to do 0.04 on the second trade. Then we just hit place. There you go. That's it. These are pending orders. These have not hit yet. Once they get to that price, then they'll hit. That's all you guys, that's all you do. And then you just wait for updates. So there may be updates that come through from the Swipe Trade app. So this is all you do. That's it, you guys. You copy and paste.